Welcome back. We're going to be doing another classic cocktail today. And I figured since spring is in the air, we should do something nice and vibrant and fresh. So we're going to do a classic mojito. All right, we want to build everything in a glass today. Then we'll get down to the different steps once we get started. We're going to be using 2.5 ounces of white cane rum. So we're going to do 2 ounces up to the meniscus, all the way up. Flip it over, 0.5. Now we're going to do 1 ounce fresh lime juice, all the way up, and 0.5 simple syrup, which is just a 1-to-1 ratio of sugar and water. Bring it to a simmer, not really a boil. You don't want to lose the volume. So now, in our glass, we're going to be doing 8 to 10 mint sprigs. So that should do it. We're going to give it a nice little whack, and we're going to throw it in. Fill it with ice. And we're going to give it a stir, just to combine the ingredients. Not too much, we don't want to dilute it too much. Top it with club soda. And then we're going to give it a mint crown. So the crown would be at the very top of each stem. Here's a good one. Tuck it in the side, and a straw. There you have it. Where to get everything. We're now available on Amazon.com, Bevmo.com, Lyres.com. On your first order, we have 10% off and free shipping.